Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to do clown makeup, whether it's for Halloween or a kid's birthday party or just for fun.
Alright, time to unintentionally become the Joker. This is my life. This is what I can do.
So first what you want to do is you want to get your hair out of your face so that you have as much room to work on your face as you can without your hair getting in the way. So now you need to prime your face so that your pores don't get all clogged from all of the gunk that you're about to slap onto it. So just prime. While you're at it, you should probably remove any jewelry you have in your face so that you don't get any makeup or anything on there. So now that your face is all ready to go, you can go ahead and contour. Or you can completely skip this step or do it after a concealer, but I like to do it this way because it makes my face look more masculine and it makes the contour look more natural. So, you know, do it if you want. For foundation, you can take whatever is your shade, or you can take a shade that's just lighter than yours, or you could just take white foundation or even white face paint and just put it all over your face. I'm mixing two foundations to make it match, you know, like a lighter version of my skin tone, because I like to be as pale as possible, and then taking it on my silicone sponge and just blending it all over my face, and then you'll see in a second that I took my ultimate blending brush from e.l.f. and then just blended it further because it makes it like a nice finish. I like the way it looks like that. It's just easier, I guess. So, yeah. So, if you went the foundation route and you want more coverage or you're just not white enough, you can add white concealer on your cheekbones and on your nose and your forehead, and it'll act as a highlight, in addition to just making your whole face whiter when you blend it out. But it'll still be more concentrated on your highlighted spots. But yeah, it's pretty good, right? It's like killing two birds with one concealer. Highlighting and whitening your face up as a whole. It's great. So now you need to set your face with either powder or even like a light skin tone eyeshadow or white eyeshadow, and just dust it all over your face to prevent your makeup or face paint from creasing, and make a lot of weird faces, and make sure you don't drop your brush down your shirt like I did.
No, go back, okay.
So now you're going to take a red cream paint or face paint or even liquid lipstick and take it on a little brush and just outline your eye shape and then fill that in so that you have a big red eye. So now to make it stay better and to try to prevent it from creasing, you're going to take some red eyeshadow and just set it all over your big red eye circle. Now, this is completely optional, but I think it looks really cute. But you can take some blue liquid eyeliner or something and just draw some little circles above your eye, and then do like a little semicircle on the lid. And it's just cute. I don't know. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot that people have eyebrows. Can't relate. But if you have eyebrows and you don't want your clown look to have eyebrows or anything, you can either do what I did and shave them off, or you can glue them down and block them out. If you're really trying to do this, you can find a tutorial on how to block out your brows online. Okay, so now we're going to take this same blue eyeliner and do the other eye. Just outline, do what we did in red, but in blue on the other eye. And then with the circles on the other eye, you're going to do the same thing, but in red. With the same. A lot of like opposites going on here. It's cute. And again, the circles are completely opposite. I mean, optional. Oh yeah, don't forget to set your blue with some matte blue eyeshadow. But yeah, take the red on a little pointed eyeliner brush or whatever, and just draw some circles if you want them there. I just like drawing circles on my face, I guess. Now you can go in and clean up a bit, reset some things, clean up the circles if you did them, just make it a little bit cleaner. Now you can take some black, some liquid eyeliner, or again, you can use face paint for all of this, or you can even use liquid lipstick for all of this, but you're going to draw a little triangle above your eye, the red one, and you're going to fill that in. So now on a small angled brush, you're going to take some black eyeshadow and just set that. You don't want it going anywhere. And also while you're at it, you can clean up the shade with the eyeshadow, a little bit. Oh, and take the eyeliner or whatever you're using and draw a little triangle on the other eye, but opposite, upside down and on the bottom. It's fun. We like oppositional symmetry. Is that even a word? I think I made that up, I don't know. But yeah, you're really doing the same thing, just upside down. So now you can take some green or whatever color you want to use. All of the colors in here can be substituted for another color or whatever. But you can, draw a little circle on the end of the circle, the triangle that's upside down. And then set that with some matte green eyeshadow. And then on the other eye, you're going to take some purple or whatever, and then draw a little circle on top of that triangle with a little pointed eyeliner brush. And it's cute. And if at any point you mess up, you can always take a little makeup wipe and just clean it off, and then put back some concealer or whatever, and clean up, and and then just fix it. A lot of going back and cleaning up in makeup. That's just the way it is, honestly, but don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can always fix them or work with them, use them to your advantage. You can completely skip this if you want to and just put on one of those fake clown noses, foam or whatever, but I think it's cute. It's fun to just draw a little red circle on your nose. It's cute, But you're gonna do the same thing you did with your eye. You're gonna, do the circle in the cream or whatever, and then you set it with eyeshadow. Or, usually eyeshadow. Eyeshadow's the best way to go. And then you're gonna do your mouth. You can also do a sad clown if you want, or you could do a different shape. You could do a pointy kind of mouth with circles at the end of the points of the mouth. It really is up to you. It's your clown. Do whatever you want. But again, same concept. Outline it and fill it in, and then set it with eyeshadow. It's a lot of similar steps or concepts in this. Clowns are very simple makeup to do, if you want it to be. I'm really just rambling. But yeah, clowns are fun. And like I said, you could do this look for pretty much anything, costume day for senior week or Halloween. I know it's May, but it's never too early to be thinking about and planning for Halloween. Anyway, look at that, now you're done and you can clown around and dance and have fun. Now, if you wanted to just be a fun, happy clown, you can stop here, but if you wanted to be a scary clown, you're doing the same things, but it's a lot messier, and you're gonna smudge the triangles out, and you're not going to mess it up like I did. Look at that. Alright, get back in. I have to go and clean it up again, even though I'm literally going to be continuing to mess it up, because it's a scary clown, but you know. So I guess while we sit here and watch me try to fix my horrible mess, we can appreciate this cool music. Isn't it fun? I got a lot of cool music for this video, it's great. So basically, yeah, you're just gonna smudge everything, smudge the triangles, smudge the eyes, smudge the circles. Hey, if you're doing a scary clown, you shouldn't really have nice, neat circles. But if they're already there, mess them up. Mess up the nose, mess up the mouth. Oh yeah, with the mouth I kind of blended too low, so now it looks weird. So I'm gonna add some concealer on the bottom, conceal that, you know, clean it up a bit, blend that back upward so that it's not down on my chin. Mess up those little circles. You know, add a little bit more product and then smudge them with your fingers. Great, you know, it's great using your fingers. There we go, we're getting rid of those circles. You know what we're saying? We're saying, screw you, circles, I'm an evil clown. Alright, we're scary. We don't need some nice, neat circles that are cute. We're not trying to be cute. I don't know what I'm saying. But hey, add some blood if you want. Fake blood, not real blood. Don't hurt yourself or anything else. But add some fake blood. And yes, it is edible. I wouldn't recommend eating it because it's gross, but you can put it in your mouth if you want. It adds a cool effect, you know, blood-stained teeth and blood dripping out of your mouth. It's gross, but spooky, that's what we're going for. Oh yeah, also if you add black and to darken up all the colors, it just adds like a dark vibe to the whole thing. And if you're doing a scary clown, you don't need to be good at blending or anything. You can be as messy as you want, because we are a scary clown, we are a messy clown. But anyway, thanks for clowning around with me. Hope you had fun.
It's showtime.